All right, we're back on Bastion. And that's like, first blood was in like 2 minutes. You're like, the video's 45 minutes long. You know, it's like, how is the first blood in 2 minutes? What? Or the try hack me boxes that are brand new, but then you actually look at the date they came out, it's like 800 days ago. You're like, what the fuck's this brand new? I always wondered that. Like, I've always like I'll watch the box come out, I'll click on it, first blood's already done. I'm like, well, how the hell did that happen? How did somebody already get first blood? The box literally came out 3 seconds ago, supposedly. Let's go ahead and copy that. Let's do a rust scan this guy. I've always wondered that when I try hack me. How the box comes out, first blood, and 40 people have already done it. Did the guy that built it do it and then got first blood on it? It was like excited about it? Alright, let's go ahead and do an SMB client. See if that's open at all. So, looks like we have backups that we may be able to get into. Let's try that. We can. Let's go ahead and get that note.txt link right there. We have some, whatever that is. And we also have a Windows directory. Because stuff like this. Because yes, people put numbers in their PC name like L4MPJE. CD in a backup. I already don't want to do it. Already. So like that. I know we can get it through SMB map. I know that's the thing. And then we can see if IPC is read-only. If IPC is read-only, then we may be able to do look up SID instead of sitting here and messing around with XML files all day. So that's what I'm thinking like right now. In case you guys are wondering why the hell I'm trying to do that. Because maybe I'll do a look up SID and get in like that. I wonder if I could just do a username of like anonymous or root or some crap like that. Okay, cool. Read only. Gotta run this guy. Domain, username. We can probably get domain actually off of... Yeah, that's why I'm like, let's figure out another way. Because that is way too much shit, like right there. But there's probably something in there. There's most likely something in one of those guys. And that dude is freaking huge, like right there. We're not even going to be able to do a get for him. We're probably not going to be able to do a get for a lot of these things. Bastion. Do I have lookup SID over here? Yeah, but that's with a username and everything like that. We don't have a username or anything like that. So let's can we just try? Should be able to grab SID like that. You know what I might have to do? No, it's not going to be no pass, I don't think. I think I might just have to do this like right here. Name or service unknown. Name or service unknown. Why is it unknown? We should be able to do that like right there. This should be granted those rights because we have read-only on IPC. So we should have those rights. Oh, you wanna know why? No shit, huh? There we go. I do have another idea to not read any of those in all honesty. Okay, so we only have one actual user in here. So that's good. This is all timing out down here. We're probably got to mount it to actually be able to do something. What's up, B7H30? How you doing? It won't grab, it won't actually download all those though. We can see them all. We can see that they're there, but it won't grab them all. So I think we got to mount it. So we should be able to do a mount tag T, sifs, and we can actually do that for // and we can mount the SMB into there. It should be // bastion.htb, right? Because that's, we named it that on our Etsy host. /backups, that's what the file is actually called, right? Or the share drive is actually called. We're going to do that /mount. Okay. And we will go ahead and we'll do attack O. And user is going to equal nothing. Right? I think we just leave it blank. And then password equals nothing. And sudo after all that. I should be able to go into mount and it should be there. I don't think I actually have those. I don't think I actually have those notes like right there. Okay, let's go ahead and CD into /mount. Then we can go ahead and we cat that note.txt. Please don't transfer your backup file locally. The VPN is it's already been transferred. It looks like. Let's go ahead and cat that SD. See if we can. See what that's all about. There's nothing in it. No, look at it. There's nothing in there. You want to CD into Windows image backup because there's probably going to be a system or SAM file in there somewhere. And I'm going to go with it's in here. Backup specs.xml. So we got registry excludes components. I think it's probably going to be inside that guy. And there's probably going to be a system backup inside there. A SAM or system or something like that. So, can we cat that guy? Alright, that was the worst idea I've ever had. Can we strings that guy? We definitely just broke that. Okay, we kind of can. Okay. I'm going to stop that. Alright, we have to somehow look at that guy. How the hell are we going to do this? How are we going to look? There's a VHD file in there, right? Guest mount, add your virtual disk, VHDX, inspector, mount any directory. Okay, cool. Guest mount, can we do that? Yes, we can. All right, cool. Yeah, we can mount again, so it's like guest mount or whatever. We can do a guest mount. Add, and then we'll do a mount. And it's going to be, is it just the whole path file, I think? Mount, Windows image backup, L4, whatever it is, backup. Okay, that looks pretty good. And then I'm thinking we want that VHD one, that guy like right there. That's what I'm thinking we want. Just because that's the largest one. Inspector, right? TATAC RO, mount. And then mount somewhere, like mount 1. We do that? Since it's guest mount? Or would it be more like that? TAC RO is read only? Okay. I wonder, I feel like it would give us problems if we didn't do that, right? We already mounted the SMB. Still mounting? Okay, it won't create it? Okay. So we want to do a make directory, mount 1. I think this is going to take a minute to mount, huh? See if it's actually mounting. Nothing in there yet, it shows. That's not good. Why get out of slash mount? Like, where should I mount it to then? Like, should I do something like this? And then do that guest mount over here? Actually makes sense because it's going to mount and going to there, huh? Sorry, got some stuff in there too, so like that. Okay. This is going to take forever to mount. This thing is fucking huge. And it's not getting any bigger over there. Is this it? No, that's what we got, huh? Yeah, this thing's going to take fucking a year and a half to mount, isn't it? No, what happened? Oh, that looks bigger than what it was earlier today. That's a positive. Recovery, maybe? Or in Windows? It could be either recovery or Windows or something like that. We just need to figure out where the hell it's at now. Oh god, this is gonna take fucking forever. Won't even type. Yeah, this is slow. This is slow. Oh, I should not have done LS-Stack LA in there. It should be Windows. If I just sit down and think for a minute. Should be Windows System 32, right? Config. That's like where the SAM file should be, right? The SAM system file should be in Windows System 32, I believe, config. Windows CD in the system 32. What? Is it in config? I believe it's in config. I don't want to do an LS-Stack LA right now. There we go. Let's see how much crap's in here. We should have a system in SAM in here, which we can bring back to ourselves, right? SAM file. System file. Let's go! I made a mistake. Oh, God. Just saw earlier we were on, what was it? We were on Telnet. Made one mistake, you were screwed. So you can dump that pie. System is called system. Or if it needs to be like that. SAM is called SAM. And they're local. Let's fucking go. Let's go. All right. Motivation is coming back. We got port 5985 up and running. I don't know if that administrator's hash is correct. No, that's a blank. See how his is 31D6C? That means it's blank, which means that that one is not correct. But his might be correct. Let's try it. Let's frickin' go. At least we got some hashes here. We try to crack them. 10, 10, 10, 134. There's no real point in cracking them. Well, we can try if we want to. L4 MPJE. And then the hash. For 4 hours, bro. We've been doing this. It was 6.5 hours before that. We are at like 10.5 hours like right now. And we've done like 5 or 6 giveaways so far. And we have 2 left, I think. Oh, you know, we tried our best. We tried our best. Let's try to crack it. Let's go ahead and do a whoop, whoop, whoop. Nano hash.text. Put that guy in there. Booyakasha. John hash.text. Then we'll do a tech format equals NT. And we did crack it, so let's go ahead and do an echo. I always like to get the stupid ass usernames with the numbers in them. I always go after those guys because I know that that guy's just an asshole. Because nobody in real life puts a fucking a number in their username. User pass.text. Let's go. I wonder if we need to get back into... I know, pretty much. You know what I'm saying? You know what, Frank? I will pass the hash if I want to. I pass it all day. All right. So, with our end, we couldn't get in with that, right? Because we should have been able to pass the hash with that. Port 22 is also open, which I kind of thought was a little weird because when our M's open, but maybe it doesn't trust us or something like that. So let's go ahead and do an SSH with this guy, and then we'll do a sudo tac-l. That was a joke. Just kidding. That was a joke. Before everyone has a damn heart attack. You can't do sudo tac-l on Windows. 10, 10, 10, 134. We're going to do it anyways. We're going to do a sudo tac-l. I'm going to do it just so anyone that's watching this right up in the future, if they're like just like following it like that, they're just going to sudo tac-l with me. And we're, what? You know, that's what we're going to do like right there. Let's go ahead and do a command key /list. See if there's anything in here. No currently stored credentials. Hate to frickin' see it. Let's go into PowerShell. All right, cool. We can get to PowerShell. Let's go ahead and CD into tools. And let's go into a Python 3 HTTP server. And let's go ahead and do an IEX IWR. Use basic parsing. I know I can't see it either. That happens sometimes with this. 10, 10. .14.21 / power up.ps1. That says use basic parts like right there. Sometimes when you're in a shell for some reason, you won't be able to see your little tack marks. Oh, you can choose story time. Oh, story time. All right, let's go ahead and do an invoke all checks. And let's also go ahead and unmount these guys. That's not going to matter to us, like right there. All right, nothing in here yet. I'm typing in LS TAC Force. I know you guys can't see it, nor can I. It's not some crazy thing that I'm playing here like, haha. That's what happens when you type in sudo TAC L, actually. Whenever you type in more commands, people can't see them. Brakes and gas in your car at the same time. That's only with older cars. Newer ones will try override shit. Just like whenever you pull the e-brake, if it's an electronic e-brake and not a freaking wired e-brake, then a lot of times it doesn't even work anymore. It's like, oh, you can't do that. You can't just pull e-brakes. Oh. That wasn't too hard to get to there. Now we got Privesk. Which, if we found out anything from the last machine, it may actually be impossible. You know what I'm saying? So, we don't know. Ooh, it's really fast with the R on. That's what that stands for. On the little stick on... I heard on manual cars, if you put it in R, when you're in first, it actually goes super fast. That's what I heard. It goes super duper fast. Alright, now we gotta start looking around for shit. We can try to find XML files. Because that's been a thing the past few boxes that we've had. There was one in some app data one time. So let's try to load. I haven't loaded up WinPs in a while actually. Let's go ahead and rep for LinPs. Or not LinPs, WinPs. Let's go ahead and throw this guy on there. Well, stop being busy. How do I make you unbusy? What the fuck was that? This thing just went insane. Alright, looks like we got a pretty good shell going right now. Yes, I do see the same things you guys are seeing. See, you guys don't have to work with it. I have to work with this. That says out file, just so you guys know. Tech out file. Looking good. It's so stable that we just keep getting stuff. Should we even try to run WinPs like this? Yeah, of course we should. We can just read it at a weird angle. We'll just... How do I unmount you? Alright, so I haven't used this guy in a while. Let's see what we got here. Console history. Go ahead and look into that. Copy that guy right there. Oh, there's nothing in it. Oh, wait, we gotta type that out, don't we? Try that again. Alright. Looks like it's just our console history. Awesome. That was really, really good. Super useful, like right there, huh? Super, super useful stuff, like right there. Almost too useful. I don't know what to say. Cage raise, no. That's not really hacking either. That's more of just programming or even just downloading like a little thing for you to move around. Alright, let's go ahead. Let's search for... Okay. I don't want to be an ass. I just don't know what I don't know how to answer that question. I love the freaking cascading thing we have here. It's so wonderful. Ah, man. Okay, let's try to look for some XML files. Let's do that. I know I have a place to find files. Because I'm usually trying to find the user text file because they used to hide them a lot. So let's try doing something start.xml. See if we can find any XML files. You're not going to command prompt anymore? Why can't we find those like right there? We can't get into command prompt for some reason. Exit. There we go. Okay, here's some XML files. App data, Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer, Server Manager. Download version 1. Excellent. Known providers download MS application, i.e. compatibles, crap. What's this box called again? Bastion? Well, I think ECPPT, PMPT wasn't out yet, but they're both completely different. PMPT focuses on Active Directory. ECPPT focuses on... I mean, I would take PMPT first, but ECPPT focuses on individual systems all within a network. But there's no domain controller. You know what I'm saying? I think I just found something. What are you? Nobody knows. What are you? What are you? Remote-ng. That's what's said. Remote-ng. And remote-ng. Yeah, okay, yeah. You crushed it, actually, GitHub. Thank you. That exact thing I want. Do you want something that's going to go ahead and show you the remote-ng password? Yes, I do. That exact thing. Thank you, GitHub. So smart. I don't know why I just put it in there. Should be in Tools. Move into Tools. And I'm just going to put in here, we're going to do a remote-ng cracking. Yes, that's exactly the string that I wanted right there. I believe it's this one like right here, I believe. No. It's this like right here that I want. Well, let's fucking go! Alright. Okay. So they are buffer overflows. I got a bunch on my channel, on my YouTube channel. They're pretty cool. Pretty cool concept. I got like an egg hunter one on there. I have a SEH buffer overflows on there. More than just like the vanilla buffer overflow. Got a couple more different things than just that. So let's go ahead. I wonder if we can evil win our enemy with the administrator now. Tac P, that. And the IP address is something. Ah, there it is. Look at that IP address. What did that say? 134? I'm pretty sure it said 134. I'm not even joking. Yeah, 10, 10, 10, 134. Let's go! Let's freaking go. I mean, I would get that 4 or 5 because, I mean, we have to search for XML and you have to kind of know what XML files are already on the machine to be like, whoa, wait a minute, like, I mean, the backup thing wasn't really, I would say like a 3 count vulnerabilities. No. Enumeration, yeah. All right, let's go. That's what I like to see. Let's go ahead and get back to just the Windows machines over here.